Hi, my name is Dr. Kyle Kinman. I'm a podiatric surgeon, board certified in foot surgery and reconstructive rear foot and ankle surgery. I'm also the founder of Certified Foot and Ankle Specialists, which is a large group of podiatrists, foot and ankle surgeons, and support staff in the South Florida area. Our mission is to provide the absolute best experience in foot and ankle care. Since Certified Foot and Ankle Specialist was founded 10 years ago, we've been fortunate enough to grow quite a bit. And I believe we do that really for three primary reasons. The first is our attitude. We really provide caring, compassionate service to our patients, and we take pride in what we do. And the second is, I think, being comprehensive. Patients are unsure of where to go, and once they find us, they continue to come back for any condition below the knee. And the third is that we're innovative. We really stay on the leading edge of foot and ankle, meaning that we introduce the most recent diagnostic imaging techniques to the community, also the newest surgical techniques and conservative treatment options available. And doing that, we obtain great outcomes, and we're able to help our patients quite a bit. We give our physicians the opportunity to work with the latest technology in foot and ankle surgery, and also to participate in resident training. As a resident coming out into practice, Certified Foot and Ankle Specialist is a great group to be in. I think that joining a group where you can be busy right away and enjoy mentorship from young doctors who came before you and are successful, advance toward board certification quickly. We offer a competitive salary and bonus structure with excellent quality of life. There's always coverage provided if you want to go on vacation. We have a clear pathway toward partnership, and we encourage entrepreneurship and innovative techniques, and enjoy, again, the benefits of not having to deal with the business issues and regulatory concerns. The culture at Foot and Ankle Specialist is one that's really exciting. We hear compliments from patients every day that it's different than any other medical office they've ever been to. Patients really enjoy coming to our office, and our staff enjoys coming to work. It's a very lighthearted environment. People are smiling, laughing. We enjoy caring for people, and it shows. So whether you're a podiatrist that's currently in practice, a resident looking to begin practice, or staff interested in employment, fill out our online form and we'll get back to you right away. Join our team and enjoy what you do.